Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric fans that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Vornado 660 Large Whole Room Air Circulator Fan. This versatile fan has a wide range of speeds. When you take price, wind speed, energy efficiency, and noise into account, Vornado's 660 Whole Room Air Circulator is the electric fan that fits the widest range of needs and living spaces. Its comprehensive variation in wind speed sets it apart from the competition. From a light, cool breath of air to an absolute calamity, the Vornado 660 can offer relief for everything from mild discomfort to swelteringly hot days. It has a long cord and a compact design. The relatively long 6-foot power cord is also appreciated, as it allows you to reposition the fan as needed. Considering the Vornado's size and might, we think this fan would address most anyone's needs, and storing it is completely manageable thanks to its low-profile design. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Genesis Chapter 20 Box Fan. Box fans are budget-friendly and effective. A box fan stirs up a lot of air and can be stored easily, while other types of fans may fall short when it comes to output or appearance. They also tend to be more affordable, and while Genesis 20-inch box fan isn't the cheapest out there, it's steady, sturdy, and powerful. It's also relatively loud though, so keep that in mind if you're looking for something a little more discreet. We especially like box fans for home improvement projects that require drying out a room. It's simple and easy to use. The Genesis is one of the prettier models we've tested. Thanks to the location of the speed setting knob, it doesn't have any awkward parts sticking out to prevent it from being stashed away in the attic, but the dial settings were a little difficult to read. At number 3, we have the Dreo Tower Fan. A tower fan's size is perfect for fitting in corners or awkward spaces in a room. They don't take up much space, but they're still workhorses at direct and whole room cooling. I tested several tower fans, and the Dreo Smart Tower Fan 519S was by far my favorite. Its lowest setting is both quiet and light. At 35 decibels and wind speeds of 3.9 feet per second, it's one of the quietest, breeziest settings I tested. The lower settings are the go-to if you want subtle cooling without much noise. Truthfully, I can barely hear this fan when it's on its lowest setting. The high setting provides soothing ambiance and powerful cooling. If you're looking for a powerful blast of air with a soothing fan noise, the Dreo has got you covered too. The highest setting hit a wind speed of 22 feet per second at 48 decibels, which is much more powerful and quieter than other fans I tested on a similar setting. Dreo advertises its most powerful setting at 27 feet per second, a small discrepancy that also will likely not be noticed by the layperson. At number 2, we have the Shark Turboblade Tower Fan. The best fan for bedrooms is quiet, free from lights, and powerful. The steady, cool stream of a fan in your bedroom can prevent overheating at night and getting caught in sweaty, tangled sheets. They should be whisper quiet and have sleep-friendly settings that turn off any distracting lights. If you like the soothing sound of wind to use as a white noise machine, you can also place the fan on a higher setting. This fan's unique design is perfect for nighttime use. The Shark Turboblade Tower Fan is one of the best fans for a bedroom because it is quiet and has unique features perfectly suited to sleeping. The design incorporates an adjustable head and swivel vents for precise cooling. When the head and vents are angled horizontally, the air comes out in a flat sheet, also known as air blanket mode. It's like having an extra blanket on top of your comforter that's breezy and cool, keeping your temperature regulated all night long. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dreo MC710S Air Purifier Tower Fan. This fan combines powerful cooling with air purification. The smart, dual-functional Dreo MC710S is a multitasking fan with a built-in air purifier. With 12 speeds, it incrementally generates anywhere from a gentle breeze to a steady wind. Thanks to the dual motor design, the fan and air purifier can operate simultaneously, or you can use each function singularly. The air purifier sits at the base of the unit, while the oscillating tower fan design sits directly above. It's one of the quietest units we've tested. I've been using it in my bedroom, and I've practically forgotten about its existence, save for the direct airflow that reaches across the room to cool me through warm nights. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.